Hi, today I'm PureView Nokia 9 PureView and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's just first open the Muviz Edge application, and here let's select one from the available tabs. Tap to apply. We could change the backgrounds here by swipe to the up or to the down, then just tap to apply them. Click to music control to hide them after 10 seconds, or just to unhide them, swipe to the left or to the right this white dot. In notifications section and calendar, you could use the switchers to show notifications and the date, and battery status, you could show it always while charging or just to don't show it. Let's go back, tap to X icon, switch edit to the settings and tap to always on display. To activate or turn off this option, you should click on the switcher. To show it on lock screen, you should tap to always while charging on music. To decrease or increase the brightness level, we should swipe to the left or to the right side this dot on this panel. We could also switch this AD timeout, low power after timeout, screen orientation. To close it by double single tap on the lock screen if you use fingerprint unlocks method, to close it with a fingerprint on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, to use it in pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize AD option on our Nokia phone. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.